Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we proudly consider the best toe rings in the sterling silver adjustable category, the Metal Factory Sterling Silver 3-row adjustable toe band ring. From the moment you open the package, you can tell this ring is designed with both elegance and simplicity in mind. Packaged in a free silver gift box, it already sets the tone for a premium unboxing experience. Whether you're gifting it or buying it for yourself, the presentation is classy and feels special. Now, let's dive into the design. The ring features a 3-row band style that gives it a bold, layered look without being too chunky. It sits comfortably on your toe, hugging it securely while giving your feet that polished, accessorized appearance. Thanks to its adjustable open band design, it's a breeze to slip on and off, no more worries about sizing. It's labeled as size 3, but the adjustability means it can accommodate various toe widths and shapes with ease. Made entirely from genuine sterling silver, the craftsmanship is evident. The material gives off that rich, subtle shine that only sterling silver can provide, not too flashy, but enough to catch the light and draw just the right amount of attention. There's no gemstone, which keeps the design minimalistic and perfect for daily wear or beach days when you want your feet to stand out without being overdone. Durability is a big plus here. Since it's solid sterling silver, you don't have to worry about discoloration or fading if you take care of it properly. Whether you wear it barefoot on a summer vacation or pair it with sandals for a casual outing, the ring holds up well. Another detail that stands out is that this product is listed under Amazon's small business category. That means you're supporting a small-scale, dedicated brand, and there's something nice about knowing your purchase helps entrepreneurs who truly care about the quality of their products. One important note: if you're trying to get this shipped to India or some international destinations, you might hit a snag. The listing specifies that this item cannot be delivered to certain countries, so be sure to double-check the shipping details before checking out. In terms of sizing, comfort, and look, this toe ring nails it. It strikes a rare balance, stylish enough for fashion-forward wearers, yet classic enough for those who want something subtle and timeless. To sum it up, the Metal Factory Sterling Silver 3-row adjustable toe band ring combines quality, adjustability, and design in a way that truly makes it stand out among toe rings on the market today. It's elegant, easy to wear, and makes a great gift, or a treat for yourself. So, if you've been on the lookout for a toe ring that delivers on all fronts, this just might be the one for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on your favorite products. See you in the next video.